Hi everyone, this is Marcus from Linker. Linker is a comprehensive healthcare ecosystem spanning multiple products. In this video, we are going to explore our payer contract management module in depth. So this is where the entity manager can add, edit, and delete contracts with payers. This is a very important module, so we intentionally designed it to offer a smooth and easy experience. Medical service providers usually have hundreds of services and multiple contracts with payers. So secure performance and consistent data were our top priorities. As you can see, there are two main sections, contract management and service management. To add a new contract, click on Add New Contract, select the insurance company and the corresponding plan, then choose the start and end dates. Next, select the category from the drop-down menu and start choosing services, patient co-payment and payer reimbursement. Once completed, the contract will be created for the chosen payer and plan. To view contracts, click on All Contracts in the sidebar where you can filter by plan or service category. To view a specific contract, simply click on it. You will see several fields: service name, plan, contract tracking, which is shared between you, the provider, and the payer upon approval. Then approval information, which will be shown if the payer has approved this contract. More on this later under the payer enrollment module. Payer structure, the one you entered earlier. Now let's add another contract, this time by importing from an existing one. This serves as a template you can edit further. First, choose the reference plan, then set the percentage change and specify whether to apply to both the patient and the payer or only one of them. Finally, choose whether to apply the changes to this page only or to all pages. An important function in payer contract management is CPT code mapping. If you use your own internal codes for services, you can download the template file, fill it in, and upload it again. The contracts will be created automatically. However, this should only be used in two cases. One, when a specific service cannot be found in our database, which is highly unlikely, and you want to add a custom service. Two, when you have a full internal code list that you want to map to the standard CPT coding system. Please make sure to carefully read the instructions before uploading any data to avoid errors.